Have you ever wondered how many cards you can have on your Neon account? Is there a limit? Let's find out. Neon is a modern-day financial platform that offers a variety of financial products, including debit cards. But how many cards can you actually have on your Neon account? Is there a limit, or can you have as many as you want? The short answer is, there isn't a strict limit to the number of cards you can have on your Neon account. You can add as many cards as you need. Diving deeper. However, it's important to note that there might be some practical limitations based on your individual circumstances. For example, card usage. If you're using your cards frequently and for large transactions, your bank might impose limits to prevent fraud or other risks. Account activity. If your account is flagged for suspicious activity, your bank might restrict card usage or even close your account. Card type. The type of card you have can also influence the number of cards you can have. For instance, some premium cards might have restrictions on additional cards. Benefits of having multiple cards. Convenience. Having multiple cards can be convenient, especially if you travel frequently or need to separate your expenses for different purposes. Security. If one of your cards is lost or stolen, you can easily cancel it without affecting your other cards. Rewards. Some cards offer rewards or cashback programs, and having multiple cards can maximize your benefits. Additional considerations. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with adding additional cards to your account. Account management. Managing multiple cards can be more complex, so make sure you have a system in place to keep track of your transactions and balances. Credit score. If you're applying for multiple cards, it's important to consider how this might affect your credit score. There isn't a strict limit to the number of cards you can have on your Neon account. However, there might be practical limitations based on your individual circumstances. The best way to determine how many cards you can have is to contact your bank directly and discuss your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.